Want to know how to keep your system secure at every stage of the development process? Let's talk about integrating risk management into each phase of the System Development Lifecycle (SDLC). By adding security from the get-go, you can proactively prevent risks and create a resilient system. First up, the planning phase. Here, we start by conducting a preliminary risk assessment to spot any potential security threats early. This helps us define clear security objectives that align with both the business goals and regulatory needs. Next, in the requirements analysis phase, security isn't an afterthought. We gather security requirements right alongside functional ones. By engaging stakeholders, we ensure that data protection and compliance are top of mind. In the design phase, it's all about building security into the system's foundation. From access controls to encryption, we ensure that security is woven into the system's architecture. We also run threat modeling to identify and mitigate potential attack paths. Then, during the development phase, we focus on secure coding practices. By reviewing code regularly and performing static analysis, we catch vulnerabilities early before they become bigger issues. Now the testing phase. Here, we run penetration testing and vulnerability assessments to make sure everything is secure. If any issues pop up, we fix them before going live. In the implementation phase, we prepare for the unexpected with an incident response plan. We also train users on the best practices to keep the system secure once it's up and running. Finally, the maintenance phase. Even after deployment, security is a continuous effort. We monitor for new threats, update security controls, and perform regular risk assessments to stay ahead of potential risks. By embedding risk management into every phase of the SDLC, organizations get proactive risk mitigation, enhanced compliance, and better communication across teams. Plus, it builds trust with stakeholders who know their data is safe. So, remember, integrating risk management with CISM principles is the key to developing secure systems that protect your organization's sensitive data. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your CISM journey.